Welcome back to the Raging Rupa channel. Today we are going to make green dosa. For this you will need soaked and sprouted green gram, raw rice, small piece of ginger, 4 green chilies, cumin, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, and pink onions. And as you can see right now, put everything into a mixer and then grind it well. Now it has been grinded, add your required salt and water, then mix it. Put the gravy in your dosa pan, flip it twice when it is done, and serve with tomato chutney. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.